Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake USDT on BYBIT. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. All you have to do is to simply open your BYBIT app, and here on the home page you will see more tab. So tap on more, and in the services you will see this finance tab. So tap on finance tab once, and in the finance tab you will see the first option that says BYBIT on. So you will have to simply tap on it, and then you will be landed on this page where you will see a bunch of different cryptos and the steady returns that you are going to avail on these. For example, if you stake your BTC, you are going to get 2.3% APR, and if you stake USDT in a flexible mode, you are going to earn 6.02%. So here you will have to select how do you want to stake, basically whether you want to choose flexible staking or fixed staking. So let's say you want to stake flexible, so you will have to simply tap on the flexible option, and after that you will have to select flexible / fixed, or here you will have to select the duration. Then you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to stake and confirm this transaction. Now once this step is done, your USDT will be staked and you will be able to start earning rewards on BYBIT, and you can even also track your earnings from this section. So if this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.